Well, what's my video going to be today? Well, let's see if I can make this a little bit longer. We're going to talk about anti-theft. We're going to make it so that it's a little bit harder to take what we have. We're going to do a switch, run some wires, hide a switch, and show that it works, it operates, and everything will be just fine. So, going to the fuse box, we took the fuse that goes to the ECM and the fuel pump. We modified one of these with a Dremel so that it fits into the slot. Just like this. Poke it in. Nice, tight, snug, good fit. We relocated the fuse to here. But our wires does the same job. Our switch is here. Now, let's talk about this switch. It turns it on and off. This controls the power to your pump. No fuel, no run. It doesn't go anywhere. They'll wear out your battery. It makes it harder to be taken. Now, wherever you hide this switch, that's entirely up to you. Don't tell nobody, don't show nobody, don't say nothing to no one. If you do, they tell somebody else, or they themselves end up taking your ride away from you. You hide this. Put it someplace where only you know about it, nobody else. So, let's prove that it works. Turn the key on. As you can see, let it focus a little bit, by the gauge, it's going to prime. That's it, it just primed. Turn it back off. If the engine was running, that would stay on all the time, but it's not. Let's do it again. We just primed. One more time. We now control the power that runs to the fuel pump, primes. Everything else works normal, as you can tell. You turn the switch, the pump will fire up, the system will prime. Once after the prime is complete, it goes down. Never, ever tell anybody about this. This thing will add time. They're going to dig around, scurry, keep trying to crank it, and they're going to panic. Once after they start to panic, they leave your ride alone and run. The more time they spend trying to take your ride, the better the chances of you keeping it. Go out, park it, don't trust the area that you're in, leave it off. Come back, flip it on, you're ready to go. Park it in your driveway, neighborhood got a lot of crime in it, turn it off. Just make sure you turn it on before you try and go to work. Make it a habit of turning this on and off. Take it to work. When I worked out at Exxon, a lot of vehicles got stolen out of the parking lot. This, somebody give you a jump, will make sure you got a way home. Because the last thing you want to deal with after working a 12 to 16 hour day is walking out to the parking lot and it's like, where the fuck is my truck? Turn it on and turn it off. It'll wear out the battery. It won't go nowhere. Security, somebody can give you a jump, but you got to ride home. Just make sure that you keep your ride. And believe it or not, this little simple device, if you inform your insurance company that you have this on your car or truck, it will literally take a few dollars off of your monthly insurance payment. That is no joke. Well, this is about one of the longest videos I've made, so I'm going to cut it off here. You guys be safe, protect your shit, build something nice. Don't let nobody else have it. Later.